I never say, if I could ask you a few questions. I never ask permission to ask questions. I just ask, how are you, just out of curiosity, how are you dealing with that? Right? Because a salesperson would say, hey, Nick, if I could ask you a couple questions to figure out where you're at, it's very salesy. But if I just go, hey, Nick, how are you dealing with that? Like with the planner hires, how are you making sure that your forecasting's not affected, right? And then it's just a smoother transition into the conversation. You're intelligent and you have a lot to offer in terms of value, and they're going to get a lot of value out of this conversation, whether they go with you or not as their recruiter, because you're going to talk high level, you're going to deliver insights. You don't want, when you're at that level, you don't have to ask for permission to ask a question. Just ask it. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.